Hey there, Mark the Bearded Tech Skian, and welcome to another product demonstration for what we are calling the Virtual Pres range of products. Now, today it's a really cool product, and I cannot wait to take you through it. This is a solution for the ongoing delivery of live and recorded solutions, right? So in doomsday preparation, we've been getting up and running on Zoom, on Teams. Some have used WebEx, some have used BlueJeans. Most of the people have used Microsoft Teams and Zoom. Now, what this does is take the learnings, because people have gone leaps and bounds in their technology ability as teachers, and we're taking that learning and we're now going, let's put the pedal to the metal and let's really use some good technology, take that experience. We know that the benefit of synchronous and asynchronous learning together is a great combination. So what this does is we take the ready-made doomsday training and we deploy it one step further. We get better teacher self-improvement as well. And we get it at a price point that is scalable to run out of the classroom. No more one school can do it. This is a price point that the whole school campus can be done over a period of time, of course. So let me take you through it. What we've got here, I'm just going to switch cameras, so bear with me. We've got the Blackmagic ATEM Mini, and we've got 4 inputs. So I've got my little desktop camera. In fact, this is a GoPro. It's a Hero 3. Look at the quality of that, right? That's input 1. Input 2 is this camera up here. Input 3, and you'll see there, I've got an iPad. And input 4 is a 24-inch touchscreen. So it's a ViewSonic touchscreen. Now, the presentation package starts with the production switcher, the input 4, which is the ViewSonic 24-inch panel, plus it also comes with one of these little Rode wireless mics. As you can see, I have on here. Very quick to turn on, USB-C charging, up and go, and they pair, they just work, okay? Fantastic solution we've got going on here. What's great, let me take you through this little piece of kit here. 4 HDMI inputs, as I said, 2 audio inputs, some basic DSP EQ in this little unit here, just to tweak up a little bit of the audio if you want to filter out, do a high pass filter or something like that. To tweak up the microphone level a little bit, mic and line input depending on what you switch it to. All right, it presents, this thing here presents to your computer just as a USB, like any other camera does. All right, so the USB camera and a USB microphone, this will present to your computer like this. All right, really simple. So all you're doing is going into Zoom and Teams, choosing your camera, press record, and hey presto, you are up and running. You can set up transitions here. As you can see, when I change cameras, it's a nice smooth transition. You can change the time of that transition here. You can do lower thirds. The lower thirds, for those who don't know, it's a little banner across the bottom in the lower third of the screen, and you can put your name, and typically like news reporters use it a lot, video presentations, use it a lot so that they can lift the level of their professionalism. Very easy just to put in a still image there, press the button, comes in over the top, and away you go. You've got HDMI preview. So out this unit here, this is a HDMI out, and this is showing right below camera 2 here, there's a screen, and that's showing what's coming out of the switcher. So what that means is if you're in a classroom, you can have your display up on your wall like you would for your kids here, and then for your kids at home, they're getting the program out on the USB-C. Okay, so you don't need extra inputs into your localized AV system. All right, we've also got a picture-in-picture, and I'm just going to turn that on. And these 4 buttons here tell you you can just choose where you want the picture-in-picture. Okay, and the picture-in-picture only comes in from input 1. So that's this one here. And so we'll just flick that a little bit. And we have to turn that on. Picture-in-picture. And we'll just do this way. So you should be able to see me there now. All right, and we've got picture in picture. So I'm over on the left-hand side. And what that means is I can use my input 4, which is my ViewSonic board. I can teach, and the students can see very, very clearly without having to use your resources and share your screen. We'll just bring that back and share your screen. With teachers losing their way, there's 4 buttons, 4 simple buttons as to what they want to do. All right, and they're not using the resources on the laptop to try and make all this happen and go, how do I share screen again and things like that. It's just 4 buttons, picture in picture, and away you go. Really, really easy. As I said, we've got the 24-inch touchscreen. We've also got the Rode Wireless Go. Now, to build this out, we've used a GoPro Hero 3, right? Really simple, HDMI out. Great if you turn the on-screen display off. It's a really nice feed. And what's so great about it is a really wide angle shot and lens. So you've got a good point of view angle. So you normally mount that at the back of the room. And then you really do need a PTZ of sorts. That would be follow me style PTZ. Ava have them, and depending on budget, you can go right up to some good quality Sonys or Vadio. Plenty of cameras around that can do follow me. So we've tested this with many cameras. We know it works. We know it doesn't. This is a really cool solution. We've shown you here with the iPad to plug that straight in. We've got a couple of cameras. We've got a really fantastic digital canvas whiteboard. We're recording into Teams or Zoom right now. This is how this is actually getting recorded. So we're living it. We're using it. And it is a really cool, simple, fantastic system. I haven't barely scratched the surface of it. You can do as much or as little as you like. It's priced to sell. It's priced to get in. It's priced to scale out in the classroom. And guys, this is the product solution that can change the way we learn post-COVID. Let's get on it because it is a great solution. Give us a yell if you want a bit more information, and look forward to talking to you soon. Bye for now.